Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is a band called Ningen Isu, which translates as human chair for your interest and information. Song called Namahage. I don't know what that translates as, I must admit. And it's from this album, which I also could not figure out how to pronounce the name of this album, but it looks like that. It's going well so far, isn't it? Yeah, I've done a Ningen Isu song before. Somebody recommended it. I'd never heard of them, which is not that surprising, really. And I just really enjoyed it. It was one of those, it was like this great sort of surprise, and I've had several of those since starting this channel, and it's great when that happens. So the people in the band, they it's like a Japanese rush. It's just like these three great musicians who are all characters. There's a monk, and the drummer's a gangster, I think. I'm not sure what the guitarist and singer is. Somebody did tell me last time I did the last video, but I'm sorry, I've forgotten what he is. But then the music that they produce just doesn't match what they look like, and it's kind of this juxtaposition that's just so much fun. If you've never heard Ningen Isu before, stick around. I haven't heard this, but I have seen other songs by Ningen Isu since I did the last one, and I just like them. Let's just decide now they're the Japanese Rush. You know, that's a terrible comparison. They're not really. It's just three guys, isn't it? Anyway, let's get it going. I don't know what that says. And I don't know what that says either. That was 6.5 minutes. Can you believe that was 6.5 minutes? That seemed like that just seemed like 3.5, 4 minutes to me. I'll add those to the list of bands I will almost certainly never see live. I can't see them touring the UK, though maybe they already have. I don't know, but yeah, Ningen Isu. That's, you know, I've seen a couple of their songs now, but I think that's just shot to my favourite song of theirs. It's just so good. Without even, I don't want to pull it apart and dissect it. I just want to say, it's just good stuff. That is just good. There you go. Vocabulary failing me. It's just so enjoyable, isn't it? I have no idea what they're singing about. So this is also another perfect example of a song where, even though I don't know what the words are, and I could probably find the lyrics, no doubt, but even though I don't know what the words are, I can still enjoy it because it just sounds so, what was that word again? Good. Oh, wow. Yeah, Ningen Isu, Namahage, from this album I don't know the name of, but will almost certainly be in my collection quite soon. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that. You should have done. Just rock and roll, man. Bit metally, admittedly, but you know, that drum's like more or less like the way I do, really. It's not super technical or anything, it's just bang it out kind of thing. So yeah, wow, I love that. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that stuff, and share it, and you know, get the word out that I exist, because that helps my ego. And I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.